Hello viewers, it's Saki from SakiVlo TV. Today SakiVlo TV is going to SHERPUR to cover some most exclusive footage for SakiVlo. Friends, I love you more than you love me. So what I have got is everything I got from you. You are just everything for me. Today SakiVlo TV got a ticket, but we didn't got the seat. So we have a ticket, but this doesn't contain any seat. So we have to stand and go to the SakiVlo TV's destination, which is SHERPUR. Stay tuned with us and stay connected with SakiVlo TV. Thank you. So we are going to SHERPUR in rooftop. The experience we will experience, you will never experience in any other countries in the world. Shuru, viewers, our train is starting. Doesn't matter what religion, doesn't matter which you follows. I want to suggest you a book which I read. Actually, I read reading books is my habit, one kind of habit. So I would suggest you this book, which is The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. This is literally just a cool book for me, because in this book you can read lots of things about the positive thinking, which will give you, encourage you to achieve whatever you want. You want to see golf course? This is a golf course. Awesome, man. You know, that's our nature, to stand over the crowd. I love you guys more than you love me.
অবশ্য আমরা যেই চ্যানেলের সাথে কথা বলছি সেই চ্যানেলটিও খুব ফেমাস। সাকিবের
অল্পের জন্য বেঁচে গেছি আমরা, পুলিশের কাছে একটা কেস দেন ভিডিও করে। Let's go.
Hello viewers, it's Saki from SakiVlo TV. Today SakiVlo TV had a bike which is totally crap, actually totally crap. So we are just bike ki amader nibe, amra ei bike ke niyechi chala chain porche kom pokshe 20 bar. Awesome view. Fully
This is our Bangladesh, man. This is our Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. All Bangladeshi peoples. No man's land. No man's in this island. Oh. Safely go to Modutila Eco Park. Now we are going. It doesn't matter where we are in the middle of nowhere. You can see nothing in here in this world, and we are getting campfired. It's really a cool moment for us. We are making fire in the middle of nowhere. Actually, this is gonna be the best place in the country. So blessed to have this. এই যে আমাদের বসার প্লেস, সব দেখি the place where we gonna sit.
আমরা আরো খেললাম, ঠিক আছে। কই উঠছে তোর উচ্চতায়?
ও
এই পিকচার তুল,
ছবি তুল। আর তো পরে পাশের দিও চলবো। চুপ মেরে। তো how are you?
Yes, I'm fine, bro.
Please, actually, the adventure is very dangerous for country because it's very difficult place in the society.
Okay.
So I'm enjoyful. All people enjoying my future life, and it's this time. So my proud.
I'm proud for my hobby.
Actually, enjoyable our commodities, and eventually it's
Thanks, brother.
welcome.
Thank you. In SakiVlo pool, this is our pool. গুড়া মাছ ঠিক বলে, গুড়া মাছ আমরা খেলাম। গ্রাস কার্প যেগুলো আমরা এখন তুলছি একদম পুরো জেতা দেখতেছেন গ্রাস কার্প গুলা।
মন ভালো, কিন্তু কথা বলে বেশি।
তো দেখতেই পেলেন দর্শক, এই ছিল আমাদের